Hello guys, so here's the mirror that I'm going to be redesigning today. I got this video idea from a girl on YouTube, and I will definitely be linking her video in her channel at the bottom of this video. Okay, here's all the rhinestone stuff I'll be using. And then this is just like my Vanity lights. I'm gonna be putting some lights on it when I get done. I got this mirror from Wash Just for Less. It was like $22 to $25. This thing is actually pretty big, so that was like a really good price. It's heavy too. Then here's the spray paint that I'll be using today. I don't know, I've been had this. I just found it around the house. It's black, so I'll be using it. Even though I'm putting like the diamond stuff on it, you can kind of see this white color through it, so that's why I'm gonna spray paint the mirror black, because the rest of my stuff in my room is black, so might as well. And then this looks better under black and not that whitish, off-whitish color. So next time I come back, this mirror will be spray paint. Yeah, it's still not bad because I didn't even make it. I just threw all the stuff on it. Honestly, I don't even care, but whatever. I'll make it after I get done doing all this today. Alright, so first coat is finished. Or I might not need another coat. This might be good. So I'm gonna let this dry. And, the reason why I did it inside my house because I did not feel like going outside the spray paint. Like I just really did not. I have my fan on high speed in here, so I'll be okay. Hey guys, I'm back and the mirror is done drying from the spray paint. Okay, so I'm gonna be glamming this mirror up. So I'll show you some of the supplies I'm using. I am using this rhinestone, what's the name of this stuff? Rhinestone fabric, I think, or something like that. I got like 10 yards of this. Got it off Aliexpress. I'll leave a link to it at the bottom of the screen. So what I'll be doing is wrapping the mirror frame with this. Okay, next I have this, and I think I have two of these long ones, and then 4 of these smaller ones, and then I think I have 4 of these medium-sized ones. I think it's 4 or either 2 of these, and then I have this like brooch, or whatever this called. I'm gonna put it like in the middle top. It's gonna be so cute. Like, OMG, I can't wait to see how this turns out. Alright, so I placed all the light bulbs where I wanted them, and I stuck them on the mirror. So now I think I'm gonna just hide the wires behind. I'll be like, I might tape them like on this side, and then the rhinestone mesh can hide them. Hopefully that works. So I'm gonna finish taking the wires down. Alright, so I'm back and it's the next day. I have all the rhinestone mesh laid out. I just have to cut it and then glue it on. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm done putting the rhinestone mesh on. Now all I have to do is place these wherever. We're gonna see how we're gonna do it. Okay, for this, I'm gonna try to get this thing off with the pliers. Excuse my fingernails, I have like spray paint, glue all on them. So I'll be back when I get this thing off. Alright, so I got that pin thing off, so it should lay flat now. Okay, so I have them placed where I want them to go. So next step is to glue these on here on top of the rhinestone mesh. Alright, so guys, I'm finally finished with the mirror, and this is how it looks with my room lights off, with the camera light on. It's so sparkly. Alright, so let's see how these lights work. Okay, so there's like a little clicker you have to click for it to be off and on. Let me do it. Wow, it's so bright. I have no light on in my room. It lit up my whole room. The lights are so like bright. I have a link to the light bulbs and at the bottom of the video. I'm gonna have a link to everything at the bottom of the video, so don't worry about searching the internet trying to find it. I'll have the links below. So yeah, this is the finished product. I love it.